Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie. I'm your friendly skincare fanatic. So if you're skincare obsessed like me, then please hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the world to have you with me. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing two of Aldi's famous Lacura brands. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. I'm all for a dupe. Okay, I love a dupe. If I can hunt down a bargain, I will hunt it down. And when I saw this, I thought, all right, I need a new eye cream. So let me try it. I picked up the Lacura Avocado Bright Eyes, which is in this fun packaging. You know, it's really bright. And I really like that. And then the Lacura Watermelon Gel Moisturizer is just here. And again, super fun, pretty packaging. Let's start with Avocado Bright Eyes. So this has got retinol in it. Retinol is really good to use of a night time. It speeds up cell renewal, so it's really good for anti-aging. It's an overnight retinol sleeping mask. That was the first thing that kind of appealed to me, that I like an idea of an eye mask without having to sort of stick anything underneath your eyes. And let's just open it up. So it's just in a box like that. If I can get it out. So the little container is glass, and obviously a nice greeny avocado colour. And so you open it up. So it's a really nice thick texture. I will show you the texture in just 1 second. But in terms of the packaging, it's extremely similar to Glow Recipe. Now this was £4.99 and the Glow Recipe equivalent is £23. So I'm happy with this. I've used this for a week and I love the texture. There's no smell to it at all. My eyes certainly feel more hydrated and it's a lovely cooling effect. I haven't noticed any difference in terms of my lines, but I've only been using it a week, so I will continue to use this one. In terms of ingredients in the Aldi equivalent, the difference is retinol features quite far down on the ingredients list. So this basically means that the highest amount of ingredients is at the top, and you've got the retinol 5th from the bottom. So the difference is with Glow Recipe, it's about halfway. So that indicates that the Glow Recipe has a higher amount of retinol compared to the Aldi. Assuming that's reflected in the price, is why you'll pay £21 for the Glow Recipe and £4.49 or £4.99 for the Aldi equivalent. It popped out to me that retinol is lower down than a Glow Recipe. So Glow Recipe and Aldi both contain propanidol. I think I'm pronouncing that correct. Through a couple of videos that I've watched about this particular ingredient, but with sensitive skin, then you do need to be aware of ingredients in general, not just this particular ingredient. So in terms of ingredients, it's always good to do a little patch test on your neck or your hand. I like to buy trial sizes or ask for samples, and because of the pandemic, so many brands and companies are open to send you a couple of samples of their products for you to test, and therefore you're not spending full price money and using it once and not being able to use it because you have a reaction. Some brands will have travel size that you can purchase for, you know, a couple of pounds. Paula's Choice do this, and that's really great because you're able to try before you buy. So in terms of consistency, it's nice and thick, and doesn't leave any kind of like a greasy film, or it actually absorbs really nicely into the eye area. So that is the consistency, and like I say, there's no smell to it. So it's just, yeah, there's no kind of residue left around your eye. It gets absorbed really nicely around the eye area. So for me, it's a thumbs up. Happy spending £4.99 on an eye cream that gives me some hydration and some plumpness, and we'll wait and see for those wrinkle reduction. On to the moisturizer now. So this is the Watermelon Gel Moisturizer with vitamin E, niacinamide and watermelon fruit extract. So packaging, again, I've said it's nice and cute. And then you've got the glass container, which is a lovely pink colour. And yes, it's glass. So we open it up. And again, I have been using this for a week or so. It's a really, really nice, I'll just show you, gel consistency. There it is. It's a really nice gel consistency, extremely lightweight. So this is fabulous for summertime, I imagine. So here in the UK, it is cold and wet right now. Yeah, so in terms of texture and smell, it's very, very strong smell, and for that reason I just don't like it. It's too sweet, it's too pungent, and it's just not something that I like, but that's me. I love watermelon, but I just don't like the smell of it on my face. It's very, very strong. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So aqua and glycerin are in the first two ingredients. You've got the propanediol that I spoke about, niacinamide, which is a fantastic ingredient. It's one of my favourites. It's a multitask ingredient. It's great for resurfacing the skin. It's great for anti-aging and just, you know, cell renewal as well. So it's a great multitasker. Then you have got this ingredient, phenoxyethanol. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but again, I saw a lot of feedback about this particular ingredient. That is a synthetic preservative to limit bacteria growth. Over 23% of this ingredient is found in all personal skincare. So it's being used a lot more now recently as companies are going paraben free, and it does lots and lots of things to your product. So it prevents growth of bacteria, of mold and yeast in your skincare products. It just sounds disgusting, doesn't it? But that is what they do. It breaks down the bacteria so that bacteria cannot grow and it cannot multiply. So the next thing that it does is it stabilizes the product. So it's compatible with other ingredients. It doesn't react to light or to sun, and it's used to prevent other ingredients from breaking down and separating. So it enhances the shelf life of your product. So it basically allows you to use your product for the time that you are supposed to. 3 months on the watermelon and 3 months on the avocado bright eyes. If you suffer with sensitive skin, you should just look into all kinds of ingredients, not just this particular one, and do a patch test if you can. The Aldi watermelon gel face cream is £4.99, and the Glow Recipe, the watermelon sleep mask, is £41. So I should just point out that the Glow Recipe watermelon sleep mask is more of a intense treatment. So you put it on over the night, and there's certain ingredients in the Glow Recipe one that gently exfoliates and brightens, whereas obviously the watermelon gel moisture cream from Aldi is just a cream. So just bear that in mind. In the Glow Recipe, there's a few more ingredients because it does a few more things. Okay, so there we have it. These two little beauties. I will definitely be using this one in my routine of a night time. You can use it in the day. You just have to remember to use SPF, which you should be using anyway, regardless of using retinol or vitamin C. Use SPF all the time. It's the best anti-aging procedure that you can actually do for your skin, is to use SPF. This one, unfortunately, not. It's far too fragrant, and it has perfume in it, citronellol, limonene, geraniol, linalool. So it's got like 5 ingredients that are all fragrance. It's right at the end of the ingredient list, but it's still a lot of fragrance, and it's just something that I'm not into at the moment. So I won't be using that. It's a great lightweight moisturizer. It's great for summer. It has fantastic ingredients. Niacinamide is featured quite high up, so that is brilliant. It's also got vitamin E, which is great for moisturizing and nourishment. So watermelon is full of antioxidants such as vitamin C and A, which reduce the signs of aging, and it's really good at resurfacing the skin. The antioxidant helps to fight those free radicals, so pollution and, all important, the sun exposure. Vitamin A can encourage the growth of collagen and elastin in your skin. Vitamin E is present in watermelon, and that can help to lighten pigmentation. Watermelon is a great ingredient to really nourish and protect your skin. So it has some fantastic ingredients in, it's just the smell is a little bit too much for me personally. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried the Aldi dupe, and let me know what you think about that or any others that you tried. And I will see you on the next This Mummy Knows.